Okay, so in my earlier episodes, this is still the same canvas. This is the first canvas that I did that had the word love on it. Then I changed it to a tree. Didn't work out well. So I'm still practicing, learning all these techniques and everything. Just learning everything. So I'm gonna change this again. I know I have scraped off a lot of paint from this canvas because that's one thing you can do is, I don't know where okay, you get a knife like this. Mine's dirty. I should probably clean it. That's the best thing to do is clean your tools after you use them, and I just use a paper towel and then it's pretty clean enough. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to use a little bit of paint thinner so that we can just have this canvas blue. Okay, so I'm going to paint the canvas blue. And this is a blue that I made up earlier. I'm just using what I have on my palette. I haven't, actually, during this whole painting time that I've been making these videos for you, this is my 4th video, and I'm working on this same canvas. So if you mess up, or if you feel you mess up and you're not happy with the piece you made, you can always do this. Scrape the paint off with the knife because the oil paint is thick. You can scrape it off and basically do what I'm doing and kind of start over. I mean, you can see that there's some stuff underneath going on, and that's fine. So this is a sky, I would say. So here's my, let's see, I'll hold it. Try to get it out of this weird light. Well, okay, it is a light blue. I don't know how it looks to you, but it is darker down here, as you can tell. And then it gets lighter here. So I'm not sure what kind of scene this looks like. I'm not going to try to keep this video so long either because people don't like to watch too long, I guess. 10 minutes is a good time frame, I heard. So, okay, here we go. I'm just painting with that blue, just doing long strokes like this with my fan brush. And it's just kind of blending the colors that I had previously, which was like pink, the blue, some brown for the trunk. And actually this is a black canvas, but now it's a blue canvas. So we can figure out what do we want? We want clouds. Do we want, let's see, we could do like a reflection. Reflections are always fun. So we could do, but that's blue. Okay, let's just see what we could do. Let's get sap green, this is sap green. I'm going to put it on my palette. I'm going to make a land formation. I am going to time myself. I'm going to make these 10 minutes. Fan brush. I like to use the fan brush. So let's see. We need the Gal Kid, and don't forget the Gal Kid because that will make your paint dry faster. Let's make some clouds first. Or no. We should make the land first so I can show you the land. So let's see. I am using the fan brush, and I just dipped right into the sap green. So we can just go something like, okay, something like this. And then we might have some land over here as well. Okay, maybe it does something like that. I'm not sure. It's really hard to paint like this, but I guess that's what makes me unique, is I'm trying to show you guys how to do something like this. Okay, so Bob Ross always says, what you don't like, you can always change it into a reflection. So let's get some more green. Here we go, Gal Kid. I want it a little bit thicker, so this is my land, and then okay, land. Now, let's see what he says is, okay, now we want to take a brush. It is going to be, I wish I had my 2-inch brush, but like I said, I ruined it. So, oh, we need a light source. You guys, I keep forgetting the light source. Okay, so let me, okay. I'm not going to have, let's work on the light source. I only have 5 minutes. Let's work on the light source another time. So, you will take your, get yourself some, oh no, you don't really need paint thinner actually. Just dip your brush right into, oh yeah, you might need a little bit of paint thinner actually. I do a little bit of paint thinner. Titanium white. Okay. Oh wait, no. Hold on. See? Still learning. I'm not doing, oh my gosh, I'm at 6 minutes. I'm going to make this a 10-minute video, okay? I really am. Okay, so I'm drying my brush off, and what he does is he pulls down, which I still have practice with this, so pull down. Oh, actually it says pull from the middle. Pull down. See that? This is a fun one. Pull down. Pull down, pull down. So really start in the middle. Pull down, pull down, pull down. We can do another one right here, and right here. Okay, and then he says to, let's dry the brush off. You will go this way to make the wavy effect. Okay, running out of time. Here we go. So then we're going to run this brush, making sure it's dry as possible. I use towels and paper towels. And then we're going to swipe across this way. So, lightly. He says 2 hairs and some air. So that, I really don't want to go over it again because it might take away the effect, but let me just try. We're not going to know unless we try. We'll do it one more time this way. Okay, so that kind of looks like water, and this is how we distinguish that water really quick because I have 2.5 minutes or so. Go in the titanium white. We could be mixing it with something else, but okay, let's just do like this, kind of like a grayish color. So we are getting oh shoot, okay, what's the time? Okay, what's the time? So we put in water lines, okay, which that's what I'm going to do right here. So we're going to do, you're kind of cutting into the canvas a little bit. So this is the water line. You're cutting into the water line. You can add more if you want, more of the white to make it the way you want it. Let me do it real quick and I'll show you. It's really hard to do. And really, kind of cutting, so I'm kind of cutting, like using my knife and like cutting like this, kind of digging into the canvas. Bob Ross would say, just kind of dig into the canvas, and this shows your land. Okay, this is it. It's 10 minutes, well, 10 minutes and 2-ish seconds or so. So look, we already made that love text better. We didn't even have to buy a new canvas. And in my next video, I will show you what else we can do with this. But for now, we've got a reflection, we have some land, and we have the water line. Okay, so thank you for watching this one. I hope you watch the next one, because then we can complete the painting together. And we've learned along the way what, you know, techniques we can use. Okay, so till the next video, I'm going to do that right now.